Evening YouTube, how we doing? I don't do them very often. It's a box, it's open. We're going to it, i.e. unbox it. Bubble wrap, get rid. So inside the box we have the end of the box and 2 cards. And actually a big box and 3 small boxes. Inside one of the envelopes we have a card from Tatara razors saying enjoy the pass around. This razor is on a pass around from Against the Grain forum. I didn't name it. Envelope 2 is a certificate of authenticity. It tells you here that the razor is made from titanium grade 5. So we'll leave that with the razor. So the next box has in it another box, cardboard sleeve, and a pack of feathers. They'll be staying there. And we have a Tatara, the Masamune series. You can see the details on the back there. Cardboard sleeve in cork. Cork is made in Portugal, and now we have the Masamune in titanium. The difference between the titanium and the stainless is roughly weight, roughly 25-30 grams. I think off the top of my head when I was doing the research was the stainless was about 85 grams and the titanium is about 52 grams in its standard setup. The other boxes in the box contain various other parts to make the complete setup really. So we have 2 base plates, or 3 base plates and one top cap. So this box has base plate and top cap, solid bar, and this is from the Nodachi, which is slightly bigger blade gap and more blade exposure. The first open comb plate we've got is the Masamune in titanium. And the next open comb base plate is obviously just checking to make sure that the box contents match what's supposed to be in it, is the Nodachi. So we've got 2 top caps, 4 base plates. Enough of various combinations of razor there really. Let's see how we get on over the next few shaves when I shall be using it in various configurations. Like I said previously, I'll most likely be using the same soap base, more than likely Wickham's, so it's comparable, like for like, keep everything the same. The brushes will change, but that'll be about it, and different razor configurations. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.